Hey, so we back with another video. So we doing the now I do that in every video cause I don't remember the name of LOA. So, shit. No, we do
try to get kicked out of Wal-Mart challenge.
Yo, we finna try to get kicked out. Wal-Mart back there, but if y'all look, AJ, you gotta have to zoom in on this one. We got security right there, so we might get kicked out pretty early. We got police in front of the building, so we finna try this. We gonna be back when we get done with this.
It's 9:12.
We finna get it. Y'all can see. Hey, we in front of Wal-Mart. We finna get it in. Ain't no stopping now. Like, it is no stopping this. We finna get it in. I'm back in. Which side should we go in at?
I'm going to the left. I'm going to the left. You gotta do some breakfast.
Hopefully nobody got to jail.
Nigga,
Yeah, that's how it said.
Man. Hey, just let y'all know. Just let y'all know if you gotta run, be at the strip club.
Mario, whoever talk, bro, record them, bro. Whoever talk, record them. I got small ass G's, nigga. These motherfuckers about. Bro, we gonna have to try to do something, bro.
But it feel weird, bro.
Oh, bro. Oh, yeah. I think I'm holding it right. Which way? We going this way. Come on, girl. They were like, y'all them niggas from YouTube? Oh, yeah. There's a meeting in my... Oh, God. We can't do shit with Jaylon up in here. Hey, good. Oh. No, perfect way. I'll kick a TV. Where the bike's at, cuz? Hey, I got one of these. No, it ain't one of them. It's another one. It's this one.
So, y'all want to get kicked out. I can get kicked out.
Huh?
That's a tiny air conditioner.
We back in, we better. How many months has been like that?
Put this in the camera.
At least like 4. Bro, get the fuck out. It's been about 3 months since we've been on the YouTube, you know. Hey, bro, if my tire ever go flat, bro, I would steal one of these. I swear to God. They probably pop them. Put a hole through it. Dang, it's too work. We looking at slaps. Oh, yo. What? Oh, yo. Oh, yo. No. Best fucking about me. Niggas tired. Damn. Oh, yeah. Go. 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 That hurt my knee. Kicked up. Nah, no, it's too early. It's too early.
Nigga, I swallowed.
Oh, they ain't even charged. What?
We had these in the house, though.
Bro, throw the football.
Bro, imagine we had these in the house, bro.
That's what.
You missed.
And you still got it. You lucky you caught it, though.
Well, imagine.
Otherwise, everybody been rolling on the floor laughing at you.
Oh, yeah. What is them, super soakers?
Not Nerf guns.
Oh, Nerf guns. Hey, bro, we should all buy one, bro, and just have a little war one day on me.
I'll get this one.
So don't feel bad. There's one guy that's in here 2 or 3 times a week, and he gets up on one of them, what do you call it, razor sticks, whatever the heck they are, the little 2-wheel things.
Oh.
He wipes out about half the amount of time that he actually gets going on it. I look over at him every time and say, man, do you really want somebody to see you wiped out on a pink lipstick?
Oh yeah, we finna get it in. We got.
You gentlemen have a good day.
You too. Oh yeah, and he pulled out the pink. He pulled out the pink rooster. He pulled out the pink rooster.
Whip them up.
You don't want smoke. Hey. How you cover it up? Oh.
Everybody. I want to see my color.
I can't get green like us.
I'm on your team. I'm on your team.
Yo, I don't think I got green.
I'm on your team. I got
And make him do it. You get somebody.
time to migrate.
Hold on.
Time to migrate.
Okay.
Oh, red button. Deeply. Go to far. Oh, it's not.
I almost knocked her head off.
What?
Did you get that?
Yeah.
I almost gone. Did you get it? It was like
I took her from nigga.
as soon as I saw that basket coming out, I was like,
Bro.
I took off.
Oh shit. I did not know. I seen the basket. I was like, don't do it. You botched that bitch. I'm like, damn.
he said, go for it. Go for it. Nigga, you know.
Tear it too much. Oh damn, these ain't far enough out.
What you gonna do?
So we get up there and sit down. Hey Jay, take us. Oh, it's hella people.
Have a fake dinner.
Nah, cause it's too much people back here. I hop on with these though.
Go around asking people stupid questions.
Oh God.
Is they comfortable enough?
Bro, is that just about my sleep worthy?
You saw? Hey, them must thought for a game, TV.
Like one of these?
My mama.
That motherfucker's good, bro.
Hey, Rock.
I think I want some, bro. Oh.
My head fucking hurt.
I'm straight.
We're gonna do some, get some content. That was that back seat. Go ask some people some dumb questions.
I got y'all asking some questions.
No, right?
Maybe we can get some content first.
I mean, we ain't got that for like 5 minutes.
I'm not gonna do that.
Out the back?
Really? Hey, I see my little brother. Hey, I see my little brother. Hey, you see my little brother?
What?
Hey, you see my little brother in the pink shirt?
Nah, great.
You hiding from him?
He got drawers on, I think bikini. Something. But I got an age in here. That's my age, bro.
Honestly, we don't know what the fuck to do to get kicked. Well, we trying to get y'all content before we actually get kicked out, because we know some things to do to get kicked out. So we trying to figure out things we can do before we actually get kicked out.
But it's not that small.
It is not that small.
Damn.
Look, there goes some workers right there. I ain't fucking with it though.
I'm trying to put on clothes. That's why I put on extra clothes.
That motherfucker fit? Motherfucker fit? It fit good?
How they look on me?
Bro, I think them motherfuckers popping. Oh yeah. That's my guy.
No.
So, God, look, do this.
This is a fucking party.
Got headaches. Bro, I was right here booting watches, bro. Got caught. Oh God. So I smashed this way. No, they took me this way. And I smashed that way. So all the way down, turned left out. Huh? I had like 3, 4 of them on me. Oh God. Was continuing to do it. On me. It's like I never stopped.
I want more.
On me, I was greedy. On God.
I'm finna ask one of these employees a question. You found one? He employee?
Yeah. No. Right there. Black one. Nah, he black. On me.
Pharmacy over here.
Where at?
Pharmacy. Other side of the store. Come up towards this.
Let's get it.
The extra small one?
There goes some more. Yeah. He says condom. So we finna go to the farm. We gotta actually ask for him? Cause he said at the pharmacy.
He said about a double drawers.
So that's the exit. Oh, over there. Thought slippers. Thought slippers. No, me. Oh, yeah. Now, whoever buy that gonna have a cracked TV.
Why you hit on it? I should've.
They got screen protectors.
Need one.
I already got one on my phone, bro.
I need a new game.
I'll find an extra small condom, bro.
You gotta look harder, bro. You gotta look harder.
I know my dick is big and shit. Dick is not that big.
Oh, give me one of the pictures you been seeing. The pictures of girls like.
Y'all, watch the picture.
Might be thumbnail, shouldn't it?
Oh, me. Woo! See some feelings. Yeah. Yeah, work. A bit of cupcake. I thought that motherfucker.
Good.
Pick that motherfucker up.
Huh?
I wasn't gonna go to the pharmacy.
Oh, yeah. We looking for condoms, y'all. Extra small condoms. What? Ah, they closed. Maybe they just got it in front. Nah. On me. He didn't say at the pharmacy. He probably said buy. Say condoms. So you ain't need the prescription to get condoms. Oh, shit.
So what you finna do now?
We're looking for condoms. We gotta find a specific kind. Extra small condoms. 5 laps. Who go? Oh, hold on. You need somebody to race.
Hold on, man.
Eric, hop on them more.
Hold on. Somebody hold it. All right. You got the gears too. You better smash on it.
Hold on.
Yo, we finna crash everywhere.
Y'all just going around like this. Hey, y'all clear the lane back there.
You go that way, go this way like that.
Hey, make sure. I think it's some workers back there though.
Yeah, this lane clear. Make sure our lane's clear.
Thumbnail.
Yeah.
Thumbnail. You gotta be normal. Act serious.
No, I got it.
All right.
Is our lane's clear?
AJ, we good? Are you?
Where the fuck that little kid? Where is that? I shit fried.
It's a little kid over here.
Take.
He gone.
Take this out.
He hopping on the bike. We good? On your marks. It's a little kid over here. He gone. On your marks. Get set. Hold on. Look, jealous thug. He can't get through. He won. You lost, bro. Y'all heard that? That's what you was racing on, wasn't you?
You like something about Fortnite with your ugly ass, boy.
He's smashing.
What's that mama them catch that?
Oh God! Look, he turned around. Somebody. Y'all be ready. We finna.
Back in the day,
It's running up.
Yeah.
It's over with. Come on.
Oh, that
Let's
was
go to back
strong.
out.
You got it in your pocket. Take that out your pocket before you get in trouble. He got one in his pocket. Take it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We looking for the toilet paper, y'all. We finna get y'all the main content. We finna go have this major war. Hopefully. Y'all, we found toilet paper. Boy, this is paper towels. It'll still do the job. Here we go, Rio. Hold on, cuz. We got it. It's me and AJ against y'all two, cuz. Y'all had to fight.
I should be you and AJ. It should just be you and AJ battling because you rolled the mic hard.
Bro, y'all can scoot down some
My
more,
mama,
bro.
yeah, you right about
What they do?
like build this toilet paper and shit.
We finna get it in. Forget what they on. We back in this motherfucker to y'all hurt, right? That's his neck. Don't let him do that to you. He got you. How you get you down?
I didn't even see him. That's not my baby. You said they're doing a blue shirt with the black boots? You want the black boots? Nah, it's not him, man. You tripping. Tripping.
That's what I'm saying, bro. I'm trying to turn this on. Bang some bangers.
Listen to this shit.
How you turn it up?
Duh, I'll be pushing that. Listen to this, bro.
For real?
Yeah.
All of them?
Anyone?
Next track.
They broke, cuz. Mine broke.
What's the bitch, bro?
You want to steal them? Why you need these headphones?
Yeah. Gaming headphones, my nigga. Pause the clip.
Bro, they oil up my shoes, bro. Don't spray towards me, bro. They gonna oil them. Y'all trying to, bro, what if somebody walk over here? Let me get one.
Now you need to put. Hey, put it over there like what?
Oh, yeah. I'm finna slide. Let's get it in.
Hey, put it on the aisle where everybody walk on.
It's a security camera.
Hey, this mug is slippery, bro. Time to move. Oh, me. Time to take the spot. Oh, me.
Whoa, chill, man.
Cop.
That's why I love AJ.
Throw it at a nigga face.
Hey, we gonna get copyrighted.
Get it. They push my AJ.
Hell no. Bro, y'all got a whole basket right there. Oh, the exit right there. What's that gonna change? Keep my phone.
Oh, bitch.
Hey, let me try a kickflip.
I got my hands free. What do you mean? Oh, me, that was blocked.
Try this again.
Didn't look like he used to ride a skateboard.
He did, actually, oh God.
Ugly ass.
I'm out this motherfucker.
If y'all seen anything in the last video, bro, It's cracking on God. I still hear it, bro. It's cracking, exclusive. Hey, security right there.
Fuck that nigga.
Hey, y'all. It's security right there. It's the sheriff. We out this motherfucker. Fuck what they on. We out this bitch. Hey, this nigga probably getting a call in talking about, don't let them leave the store.
Stick his ass.
Oh God. Fuck you. I don't know what made him do that. Oh yeah, I was finna say they locked this bitch. We out this motherfucker.
Yeah, we get locked in this motherfucker. I start kicking the window.
Hey, he ain't in his truck, cuz. Look at this piece of shit. We finna go hop in the whip, cuz.
Y'all ready?
Hey, there go Rio. Hey, where AJ? Oh yeah, he on the back of the car. Bro, where's y'all going? The car is right here. I hate this nigga. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. We gotta get out before the sheriff come. Come on.
You get that on video, Rio?
Rio got it.
Why you telling nobody? I told Rio.
Nigga, know the fuck.
You see me say shh on camera. When you did it, did you run out?
Yeah.
You ran out the exit?
Yeah.
Oh God.
Yes, man.
Where the exit lead to?
Took something,
Nigga was on the parking lot.
Like in the back?
Yeah, on the side parking lot.
Why'd you tell us? We would've ran through the bitch with you.
I would've took something, nigga.
Oh God.
I thought y'all was gonna come. Y'all niggas turned around.
Nigga, we didn't know. We was over here on the skateboard and shit.
I was recording.
Bro, that shit was loud as fuck, bro.
Skateboard, bro.
Oh God.
Go to it, bro. See what?
I just got it. That shit was loud.
Y'all see we at another store now because we had to get out of there.
Yep.
I mean, we've been gone for like a couple months, but we back now. We coming harder. Smarter.
Harder.
Harder.
I mean, we was on a high speed chase. Police chased us and stuff.
95.
We had to drop off Jaylon then.
So, nigga.
We left him somewhere at a stoplight.
So we just kinda
But you know, we had to come in and get some soda.
You know? So we'd be like Logan Paul and shake it out.
Shake it up.
We gotta hear it out. Come on. This is the end of the vlog, so we'll catch y'all next time. We just gone. Peace.
Hey, I'm a thug nigga till I die. Stand in the fan lane till I craze. I ain't worried about a fuck nigga right now. Mind too busy thinking about cash. Time to get back. I'ma be good. Sticking on my can when I'm